The measurements I'm using: 140 inches, this is 40 inches, then 3 20 inches, 1 2 3. So next I'll take to my sewing machine and I will join these 3 together. I'll place them, I'll overlap them by 1/4 of an inch and sew. I'll repeat the same thing here. Okay, this is it after joining the 3. Next I will hem the 2 sides. So I'll fold 1 and fold again 2 and take to my sewing machine and sew. I'll repeat the same thing on this side. This is it after hemming it. Next is to join this to this. So this is the wrong side. I'll fold in half and I will mark it. I'll mark the middle, okay, and set aside, and I'll fold in half too for this. This is the wrong side. And I'll mark the middle too. Okay, so next I'll place this on top of this at the middle. I'll take to my sewing machine and sew. Remember, I'm overlapping by 1/4 of an inch. I'll sew, then I'll sew. Okay, this is it after joining them together. You can see. So next, this is still on the wrong side. I'll measure 1 inch and fold in. Okay, I'll take to my sewing machine. I'll sew from here. You can see. I'll sew from here and I'll stop here. So I'll take to my sewing machine and sew. Remember, sew towards the edge here. After sewing the 1 inch, you can see. So I'll turn to the front side. Okay, next from here I'll measure 2 inches. Okay, I'll take it up. You can see what I'm doing. 2 inches from here. I'll take it up. I will take it. The gap from here to here should be around 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. So I'll take to my sewing machine and I will sew. Okay, next I'll repeat the same thing from the last plate that I made. You can see. I'll measure another 2 inches. Okay, and I will take it up also and take to my sewing machine and I'll sew it. Okay, as you form your plates, ensure that the plates cover the stitch that you made. You can see. Ensure that the plate covers it. So I'll repeat the same thing 2 more times. Okay, I've made 2 more plates, making it a total of 5 plates. 1 2 3 4 5. So next I'll fold this in half. Okay, now insert a pin at the middle. Okay, next from here, from the middle part, I'll measure 2.5 inches and I'll insert another pin here. And from here to my left, I'll measure another 2.5 inches and I'll insert another pin here. Next, here I'll measure the same 2 inches. Okay, I'll take it up. I'll place it here. You can see what I'm doing. I'll hold it with pin. It will have the same gap as this. I'll insert a pin here too. I'll hold here with pin too. The same thing here. Okay, next I'll fold it in half again. Okay, then from here I'll measure 8 inches from the middle part. I'll measure 8 inches and I'll insert a pin here, or just mark it with chalk. Later you clean it off. I'll repeat the same thing for this side. Okay, you can see. Okay, so next I'll take this up. You can see, you should cross over this like this. You can see the way I placed it on the 8 inches mark. I'll hold it with pin. I will repeat the same thing for this side too. Can see. Okay, so this is it. So next I'll take to my sewing machine and I'll sew. Okay, this is it after sewing. Okay, next I'll come to one of the straps. From the edge I'll measure 5 inches. You can see. Then I'll slant it to the edge here. Okay, this is 5 inches. This is to make it not to be bulky when tying it. Okay, I'll repeat the same thing on this side. Okay. When I'm done, next you see, okay, this is the right side. The right side is facing up. I'll turn to the wrong side. I'll fold here, then I'll fold here twice. You can see, up to here, and hem it. I'll repeat the same thing here. Okay, this is it after hemming the 2 straps. Our Autogele base with straps is ready. Thank you.